But like, yeah, like you said, with like free, like free porn to like custom content, because custom content seems to be like huge now. Like,
yeah, it is. It's grown so much. Seems like customs are a big thing, and honestly, I don't understand why it wouldn't be. Like, who wouldn't want to get to know someone a little bit and have them do exactly what you want? Like, you want me to in someone's mouth. All right, like, let me find a person. And you're not, you know what I mean? Like, to have someone do something for you specifically kind of means a lot, you know?
yes. And especially not just that, not just someone, like you have so many, like there's so many people that are doing OnlyFans or Chatterbait or whatever. You can find the exact type of person you want and have that person do exactly what you want. I mean, that's fucking, like, what's better than that?
It's incredible, honestly. And there's so many beautiful women out there, honestly. It's just, like, the amount of people out there that you just find, like, okay, this person clicks. Like, I love how they talk. I love how nice they are. Like, I'm a very pansexual person. So when I, like, see their videos of them doing things, it's like, oh, hi. Like, I'm going to subscribe to you now. Like, it's cool that you can find people that fit up to you so well. There's such a selection, like you said. And you just got to find the people that match your wants and needs. Like,